I was told that I was using the Barkeeper's Friend and the pink stuff wrong on my pans, so I'm gonna go with all of your suggestions. So first of all, everyone said that I had to use a scrubby. So this is a brand new green scrubby. This side, I'm going to put the pink stuff on and scrub it on. And I'm supposed to let it sit for 10 minutes, everybody said. Everybody said I didn't let it sit long enough. And let's see, we'll do this side. Okay. All right. Now, get my sponge rinsed here. Okay, oops. All right, so now I'm making a paste. They said I didn't use enough Barkeeper's Friend, so I'm gonna make a thick paste. Okay, now just make sure I have a thick enough paste. I don't know, is that a thick enough paste? Okay, and now this one here. Okay, making a paste. Okay, I mean, I don't know how much thicker I can make it, but there's a thick paste. Okay, is that thick enough? I don't know, is that thick enough? Here, we'll make sure this is thick enough. Maybe it wasn't thick enough. Okay, so now I'm gonna let this sit for 10 minutes and then we're gonna come back. It's been 10 minutes. All right, here we go. Okay, I just scrubbed 1 full minute on this side with the pink stuff. Okay. Now I'm going to scrub 1 full minute on this side with Barkeeper's Friend. Okay, I did 1 full minute with Barkeeper's Friend. Okay. All right. Okay. All right. Now let's do this one. Okay, 1 minute. All right, and 1 minute this side. Okay, there we go. Now let's take a look. I'm gonna take these over to the sink, rinse them, and I'll be right back. Okay, I left a strip of the original here in the center. Now, I will say it looks like Barkeeper's Friend did make it shinier this time. But I'm thinking what it is the pink stuff is better on light stuff, light burned on stuff, and Barkeeper's Friend is better on heavy duty stuff. Now on this one here, maybe Barkeeper's Friend, I guess Barkeeper's, Yeah, Barkeeper's Friend was slightly better on this side than this one. So, I don't know, guys. I would say it's a toss-up between Barkeeper's Friend and Pink Stuff. Now, this is significantly cheaper than this, but I will say from my other experiment where I didn't have to rub near as long, remember on the inside here, and the Pink Stuff did come out brighter on that. So I don't know, maybe on light stuff, use the Pink Stuff, and on heavy stuff, use Barkeeper's Friend. Or if you want, just use Barkeeper's Friend on all of it, or Pink Stuff on all of it. Go watch next my original test of these pan cleaners.